our heating and hot water, we can pop that one on to put the electric power through to our heating system and hot water system. If we pop our water pump on, you'll hear the water pump kick in, and then we can start to draw the water through the taps. So literally just opening the taps up on the hot and cold. Now if we drain the system down, we'll get quite a lot of coughing and spluttering, and it's going to probably take a good 5 minutes to fill that onboard water tank up with water. Once we start to get all the air out of the system and we've got rid of the coughing and spluttering, we've got a nice steady flow of water as we have now. We know then that our heating system is full of water and we can go ahead and then heat our hot water up. We do just need to get all the water through on our bathroom tap and our shower, just to get all the air straight out the system. Above the door again then, we've made sure that the little button underneath the seat with heating and hot water is pressed in and illuminated. That will then put the power through to our Truma heating system. And then we can hold our little on and off button on and it will come up on the panel. We've then got our internal heating, so we can then put our heating on. We can then set our temperature with our arrows. And then once we've got our temperature, just literally press our temperature, and then it'll come up just to say that what we've set our temperature to. In the top left hand corner we've got what the actual room temperature is at the moment, and then if we wanted to use our hot water, again we literally press our hot water, pop that onto 60 degrees set, and again it will come up and tell us that we're on hot water at 60 degrees. If we want to control what we're actually using the system on, we can then press the gas and electric button. At the moment we've got gas selected. If we wanted electric, we've got a little arrow and we can then press set, and that will then swap it over to electric, and again at the bottom there it'll come up with an E. If I hold that in again, we've got electric 8 amps or electric 4 amps, electric 8 amps, gas. We've got 230 volt 4 amps and gas, 234 volt 8 amps and gas. Now the bottom ones are literally gas and electric at the same time if you wanted to boost the heating and hot water, heat it all up a bit quicker. If we're just on site and we've just got gas, no 230 volt, we'd just use it on the gas. And then if we're on a site with a low ampage, we'd probably want to use it on the 4 amp. If we're on a site with plenty of ampage, we'd just probably then use that on the 8 amps, and that will then just heat our hot water and our heating system also. To turn the system back off, it's just literally press the little on and off button and that will just close the system down. If there is anything that you're not sure about, just give us a call or let us know in the comments and we'll be happy to help you through. Thanks, I'm Mark at the Caravan Place.